If you're asking, where do I fit? This is for you. Technology consulting isn't one size fits all. This episode helps you figure out exactly where you fit, and there's no coding required. Have you ever looked at technology consulting listings, jobs that is, and thought business analyst, functional consultant, organizational change, what? It's like technology consulting has its own language and nobody handed you a decoder. So in this episode, I'm going to walk you through the actual roles in technology consulting, and I'm just going to shorten it to tech consulting that don't require coding and help you figure out which one aligns with your real world experience. Let's find your lane so you can stop spinning your wheels and start building that new career. Now, let me tell you, when I first started out, I thought consultant meant something fancy that you had to earn. But here's what I've learned after 20 years in this space. Consulting isn't about titles. It's about the value you bring. It's about getting and being clear and, of course, confidence. You don't need to know every acronym. You just need to know your strengths and where those strengths plug into the overall technology or tech consulting puzzle. Let me simplify things. Most non-technical consultants fall in one of these three lanes. Lane number one, problem solver. You might be a business analyst, a functional consultant, implementation support, and these roles, these individuals dig into the needs, processes, and system capabilities. If you ever have gathered requirements, tested software, or helped make tools more usable, you're here. You're in that lane, lane number one. Lane number two, the people connector. My favorite lane, if I can be a little biased, you might be change management consultant. That's organizational change management consultant, a trainer, an instructional designer, or even a communication lead or specialist. This is where you shine if you've ever coached, led workshops, written communications, or supported people through change. It's about adoption and engagement, not just information. So that's lane number two. Our last lane, lane number three, the process professional or the process pro. You might be a project coordinator who is a beast, an implementation, and a beast in a good way, an implementation analyst, or an operations consultant. If your strength is in keeping timelines and aligning moving parts and really making sure nobody drops the ball, this is your lane. You've got to know with lane number three, you are the glue. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to grab a pen or really type in the comments of this video and answer these real quick questions. Do you love helping people understand things? You're likely a trainer, a communication specialist, or an OCM specialist. That's organizational change management specialist. Do you ask, why do we do this particular process that way? More than anyone else, you are a business analyst or process improvement consultant. Are you the calendar? So are you the one who's wrangling up people and you are obsessed with checklists and you love to follow up? You're a project coordinator or even a project management office, or also known as PMO lead. Have you helped others adapt during a leadership or system change? Organizational change management is your calling. Imagine this. A company is implementing a new software system, and here's what the team might look like. The business analyst interviews users to figure out what's not working. The functional consultant maps out those needs to system capabilities. The trainer builds job aids and leads the learning or training sessions. The organizational change manager keeps people engaged and ready. And the project coordinator, who I said is a beast, makes sure everyone's aligned and the project is going on time. Not one person coded a thing. Did you hear me say anything about coding? But that project wouldn't succeed without any of them. So here's your next steps. In the description of this episode, I want you to grab a copy of the Pivot Position Finder. Again, you'll find the link in the description. This freebie will help you explore 3 major paths within tech consulting and match them to your natural skills, match them to your natural strengths, and you find the one that feels like home. And if you're still thinking, I don't see myself in any one of those yet, no worries. In the next episode, I'm going to show you how to tell your career story in a way that makes hiring managers say, where have you been hiding? Don't forget to drop your 2 quiz answers in the comments. And I'll see you in episode 4, again, where I'm going to show you are going to learn how to tell your story without a technical background.